Hello, this is Brenda Boyan, and welcome to my channel. Today's tip is on how not to get food poisoning. So say you go to work, and then there's a rolling blackout, and you come home, and your food has gotten defrosted, but the rolling blackout's over, and so it's refrozen. And then you get food poisoning, like happened to me. So I'll show you how to not do this. Here's an easy tip. What you do is you take your frozen dinners and you put them upside down. Now, how does this help? Okay, well, here's a regular frozen dinner that was upside down. Okay, and it froze, and it unfroze, and then it refroze. Well, see how it's flat across the top? See how you open it? And it's flat across the top? Okay, well, that's because it froze and refroze. This is what a regular one of these dinners looks like that has not frozen and refrozen. See? It's not flat across the top. You open it up. Okay? And it's all like lumpy. It's all lumpy. It's got the little like fruit and the vegetables and everything. But this one has pressed up against the plastic and it's refrozen and it's frozen. And so it's flat across the top. It's smushed up against the plastic and it's flat across the top. And you know that. And so then you don't get food poisoning like I got. So just put your frozen dinners upside down. Now, some of them might not have enough liquid in them for this to happen, but that's very rare. Okay? So put your frozen dinners upside down and don't get food poisoning. See you next week.